Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and in today's video I will be telling you how to prepare coco peat out of cocoa bricks or cocoa blocks available in the market. And cocoa peat is a byproduct of the coconut husks that are produced after producing the cocoa coir, and the byproducts are produced and the brands or companies make it a block and they sell it in the market. And this is the cocoa peat brick of around 1 kg of weight, and I bought it around 60 rupees in my local offline market. You can get it from online 1 kg block or 5 kg block or 10 kg block. In our local market this is 60 rupees kg. I have bought it, and now today in our video I will be showing you how to prepare it, how to use it, this cocoa peat, and how to preserve it, and everything I will be telling you of this cocoa peat. And this is, I tell you, the best soil conditioner ever in the any of the soil conditioner. This is the one by far the best soil conditioner. And the benefits are written here. Say the coconut, it retains water, it retains moisture, and this is the best soil conditioner, and microbes are grown very nice and you can get it. And lots of benefits are here, you can see. And this is the maintains the pH and balances the pH in the soil. And this is 1 kg brick. And I am telling you how to use it. And take a knife and unwrap it, remove the plastic of this from this upper side, and you have to remove the plastic. And after removal of the plastics, I am opening this cocoa brick. And if you want, you can soak it in water, or make it a pieces, 2 to 3 pieces, or if you want you can keep it as such. And within 10 minutes all the cocoa peat will be produced from here. They will soak water and they will be disintegrated. And you see I am applying water. First I am applying 3 liters of water. In total you need, in 1 kg of brick you need around total 5 liters of water, and that will produce 5 kgs of cocoa peat you can get from here. And in 5 kgs cocoa peat, if you apply 200 grams of cocoa peat in one pot, then you can apply this in 25 pots will be enough, this 1 kg brick. And after 2 minutes you see they already have absorbed water, and this is total is volume is now already double after soaking the water. Let it soak around 5 minutes and apply. I will be applying more water, because the cocoa peats are usually produced in the seashore area. There are most of the factories are in the seashore area. They use the sea water or saline water. That's why the many of the salts are kept in this cocoa peat. So you have to remove the salt, because plants do not grow take good growth if the salt retains in the soil. So I'll be soaking it in water, squeeze it water and discard the water, and then I'll dry it up properly. And after drying it under sun, I'll keep preserve it. So I am again applying water, and you see how fast this is disintegrating the total block. And after applying water, around it take around 10 minutes it will take to total. And after absorbing water, and you can then collect the cocoa peat from here. I'll show the entire process, how to squeeze it properly. And this is, I am breaking it, the cocoa peat brick. And after soaking water, let's see, this is the all. Let it soak properly, and after soaking, after 5 minutes, this is almost process is half complete, and only in 5 minutes. Now again I will be applying water. And after applying water, after 5 minutes, what we'll do, I will squeeze it out and discard the water. And the water will retain all the salts in the water. I will discard or drain out the total water, and collect the cocoa peat from here. So this is the process. Now I am squeezing properly. And after squeezing it water, let's see how I am doing it properly. And now I collect in a bucket. And this is the process of preparation of cocoa peat from cocoa brick or cocoa block. And this is the easiest method, and you can apply in most of the plants. And you have to dry it out properly for preservation, or if you want to apply it any of the succulent plants or in seedlings, growing seedlings, you have to dry it properly under sun. You have to solarize it around for 8 to 10 hours. and then you can preserve it and can use any time of the year, and these are not usually damaged. And this is after 10 minutes my total process is complete. I have collected all the coco peat from here, and now I'll drain out the water, remaining water, which contains lots of salt, and I'll collect the coco peat from here, and now I'll take it to the upstairs. In the stairs I will keep it under sun for around 6 to 8 hours, and then I will preserve the total coco peat here. So this is the process, and now I have discarded the water from here, and this is around 5 kgs of coco peat I have obtained from 1 kg of block, and I will apply it in my different kinds of plants. And this is the all process of making coco peat from the coco beets. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the different gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you. Please visit my channel again and